I'm T. Scott Jones, and I'm a throwback. I'm a trial lawyer, which means that I go to court each and every day. I not only talk the talk, but I walk the walk. On an average of 41 court appearances a week, my responsibility is to the folks of East Tennessee, and I intend to be there each and every day serving the public that gives me the privilege to practice law here at Banks & Jones. My philosophy is part of what our trademarked expression here is at Banks & Jones, and that's play to win. So I get up every day with one goal in life, and that's to succeed, because my responsibility is to succeed for my clients and those that have entrusted their cases to me and the firm here at Banks & Jones.
I was being falsely accused of several serious felonies. I didn't really know where to turn. I'd never been in this situation. I talked to some knowledgeable friends of mine in the law enforcement, legal community, and they all said I need to go to Mr. T. Scott Jones because he was the best. And I'm glad I listened to them because they were right. He took my case. He presented such a brilliant defense that the jury returned a verdict of not guilty in only a few minutes. I would highly recommend Mr. T. Scott Jones and the law firm of Banks & Jones for all legal needs. You're not going to find any better. They're the best out there, and they will take care of you.
I had a slip and fall accident, and I needed represented by a powerful attorney, and I found that with Banks & Jones. I've known T. Scott Jones and Banks & Jones attorney at law for 20 plus years. I can't recommend them highly enough. Anytime I hear someone that may need an attorney, there's only one attorney that comes to mind, and that's T. Scott. And he's a great guy, I love him to death, and he's a fantastic attorney and a great friend.
My daughter was murdered in 2011. She was 23 years old. She left a 2-year-old son. I decided to choose Banks & Jones for the simple fact that I had met Scott in 2006 and was very impressed with him. And Scott worked night and day on it, you know, trying to pursue it the best that he could and get the money for my grandson to be taken care of for the rest of his life. I would recommend Banks & Jones for any case.
The reason that you should choose Banks & Jones is because we've got a team of attorneys that have one goal in mind, and that's your success. But that success coupled with caring and kindness and the fact that we are going to do what we need to do to achieve your goals in the most time-efficient, cost-efficient, and professional manner possible. What we are going to do is we're going to put our heart and soul into your case, and we are going to always play to win, because honestly, that's what you're employing us for, and you should expect that out of us, and we expect to give it every single day.